Ultimize. Welcome to Daily Reset Meditation. This podcast is simple by design. It's not a lecture series. It's not spiritual storytelling. It's not something to binge. It is a daily tool. Inside this feed, you'll find the same guided meditation offered in multiple lengths, from 1 minute to 20 minutes. Your job is not to listen to all of them. Your job is to choose one. Each episode has the same structure: steady breathing, clear pacing, grounded language, and short, practical affirmations. No fluff, no mystical jargon, no background philosophy. Just a structured reset you can use every single day. Some days you may have 1 minute before a meeting. Some days you may have five. Some days you may want 10 or 20 to fully downshift. The length changes, the structure stays consistent. That consistency is the point. Repetition builds calm. Repetition builds focus. Repetition builds emotional control. You do not need variety. You need consistency. Start by sampling a few lengths. Notice which one feels sustainable to you. Not impressive, not ambitious, but sustainable. Then commit to using that same episode daily, morning, midday, evening. Your reset becomes automatic. Your breathing slows faster. Your mind settles faster. Your body responds faster. This limited series podcast works best when you stop exploring and start repeating. Choose your length, use it daily, return to it again tomorrow. And when you're ready, begin with the first reset. For Ultimize, I'm TJ Walker. Let's begin.